know about that Delhi's crime rate is increasing day by day?
Yes, we all know about it. Yes, you all know about it.
You hear that recent case at Red Fort?
Yes, I have had listened. What about it?
I know one class on Red Fort. I know where is the place of bomb. It's like a chemical of RDX. It's in a car of I-20. Do you know there are so many criminals in our Delhi? Like you know.
In this incident, many people lost their life.
Do you know? Some criminals are proud.
Yes.
22 people will die in that in Agra fort. Yes, you say right. In Agra fort, 23 people are died, and so many cars are blasted.
What died, beta?
And 3 people were injured at that time. You know, they are very oldest case in our country. Like when a plane take off
Took off
to another place, when in Ahmedabad, when plane is crashed.
Plane crashed.
Actually, plane is crashed, but in planes all people are dead.
Were dead.
But there are people who survive it. You know.
Yes, Delhi crime rate is increasing day by day. We have to aware about this. Delhi's fraud, rape, crimes, e-crime.
My mother, a unknown person gave the Paytm code, and my mother scanned the Paytm code, and sometimes the account of my mother is 35,000, but before there it was 45,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know, I saw a kidnapping in street number 5. I saw a kidnapping in street number 5. So somewhere a man who kidnapped a child and his child are saying very loudly, please help me. When I saw they, I was very crying to see it. And the man and the man.
So
Did you help him? No. When the man saw me, I ran away. Our college group has 200 plus child. Have 200 plus child. One child send a wedding card. All students open the wedding card. Their account is hacked.
was.
Their account was hacked and all money transferred to their phone. Some people have not doubt. You know, there were so many polices who hide our mistakes and our cases. You know. Do you know one helicopter was crashed on Kerala? The world people are dead. In 2024, 53 children were kidnapped, and now in 2025, 100 children are kidnapped. Everyone, there was phone scams and the scammers called them and
Very good.
Not to give OTP to the scammers.
Yeah.
They will take your all money and your account balance for zero. Yes,
Yes, I know about it. It happened to my neighbor, and he got a call from an unknown number. A told him to tell him the OTP, and he will got some money. He will got some money, and he did told the OTP to that person. And after some time getting the OTP, he got a message from his bank that 10,000 rupees from his bank has been debited.
Nice.
Many types of deadly crimes like kidnappings, fightings, and many things. Do you know there in 2024 there are e-sports event in our Delhi, and one player who cheated in a game and he arrested from police. One left going my house. My father was sleeping and he left the phone and he going.
He gone. He has gone. ठीक है? Good.
When I was coming from market, I saw a man who was giving me a chocolate. I refused him. I will not take it. After some time, when I returned, when I come again, then I saw that he was kidnapping other boy. Then I case for in the kidnapper. Then the police
Then I filed a case.
filed a case. Then the kidnapper was captured. There are so many kidnapped school students.
There are so many guys who kidnap school students.
I saw one kidnapper kidnapped my friend.
Oh,
We have to aware for this crime.
okay.
I have two stories to explain you that one is about my school fight and one is about steal money.
Yes, thanks about it.
So which one?
We are doing anyone.
Now, first I am starting from my school fight. At my school fight, there were two elders who started fight together, and day by day, the fight getting serious and serious. At the 25 September 2023, the second elder called for his more friends to fight. He hit that student from a tube light and at his head, and he died on the spot. This crime also attended at TV at the news asked.
Yes, you say right. Yes, I know.
What happened about that elder? What happened with that elder?
He got died.
Okay.
One student was fighting. A student punched their heart. He died.
Good. Clap for yourself.